Is losing 10 kilograms in just 2 weeks really possible? It's a question so many of us have asked ourselves, especially when we're feeling stuck or desperate for a change. Maybe you've seen those dramatic headlines or heard stories of rapid transformations and wondered if you could do it too. Honestly, it's a huge, ambitious goal and not always safe or realistic. Rapid weight loss can be risky, and it's important to remember that health is about more than just the number on the scale. But don't let that stop you from making real progress. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to a healthier version of yourself. This is your kickstart to a healthier, more confident you. Forget crash diets and quick fixes that leave you feeling tired and frustrated. We're building habits that last, focusing on feeling stronger, more energized, and truly enjoying the process. It's about making changes you can stick with, not just for 2 weeks, but for life. Our real goal: to help you feel fantastic, sleep better, and be proud of yourself every single day. Imagine waking up with more energy, feeling lighter in your body and mind, and seeing the positive changes add up. No fancy equipment or complicated recipes, just honest food, simple routines, and fun workouts you can do anywhere. You don't need to be a chef or a gym pro to get started. Over the next 2 weeks, you'll discover what your body can do when you give it the right fuel and a little encouragement. You might surprise yourself with your own strength and determination. Some days will be tough and you might feel like giving up. But remember, the key is to keep going, even when it feels hard. Every effort counts. Progress, not perfection, is what matters most. Celebrate every small win, because each one is a step forward. By the end, you'll feel like a new person, more confident, healthier, and ready to take on whatever comes next. So, get your trainers ready, clear out your cupboards, and set yourself up for success. This is your time to shine. This is the beginning of something amazing. Let's get started. Your journey to a better you begins right now. Food is fuel, not the enemy. Every bite you take is an opportunity to nourish your body and give it the energy it needs to thrive. Instead of fearing food, start seeing it as your ally on your journey to better health. Starving yourself slows your metabolism and leaves you feeling awful. When you skip meals or drastically cut calories, your body goes into survival mode, making it harder to lose weight and easier to feel tired, cranky, and unfocused. Instead, eat regular, healthy meals throughout the day. Focus on lean protein, healthy fats, and loads of colorful veggies. These foods keep you full, satisfied, and energized, helping you avoid those energy crashes and cravings. Try to fill half your plate with vegetables. Think leafy greens, peppers, broccoli, or carrots. Add a quarter of lean protein like chicken, fish, eggs, or tofu. And finish with a small portion of healthy fats from avocados, nuts, or olive oil. This balance supports your body and keeps you feeling your best. Cut down on processed carbs and sugary foods. Swap white bread and fizzy drinks for whole foods like whole grain bread, brown rice, and fresh fruit. These choices give you longer-lasting energy and help stabilize your blood sugar. For the next 2 weeks, challenge yourself to cook your own meals at home. When you prepare your own food, you control what goes in your body, making it easier to avoid hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and excess salt. Plan your meals ahead of time, write a shopping list, and prep in advance. This way, you're less likely to reach for unhealthy takeout or snacks when you're hungry or busy. Batch cook proteins and roast veggies so you always have healthy options ready to go. Having prepped meals in the fridge means you can eat well even on your busiest days. Being prepared is your secret weapon. It takes the guesswork out of eating healthy and helps you stay on track, no matter what life throws at you. Remember, fail to prepare. Prepare to fail. A little planning now saves you stress and temptation later. But you're not going to fail. You're taking control, making positive changes, and setting yourself up for success. You're building habits for life, not just for a quick fix. Every healthy meal you make is a step toward a stronger, happier you. Enjoy the process and discover how good healthy food can make you feel. Eating well isn't about restriction. It's about abundance, flavor, and feeling your best every day. This is about nourishing your body, not depriving it. Make every meal count. Celebrate your progress, and remember, you've got this. Let's eat well, fuel our bodies, and feel amazing together. Your journey to better health starts with your next meal, so let's make it a great one. Water is your secret weapon. It's the simplest, most effective way to boost your health, energy, and focus every single day. Most people don't realize how much of a difference proper hydration can make, but it's truly a game changer. Aim for 2 to 3 liters a day. That's about 8 to 12 cups, depending on your needs and activity level. If you're active or it's hot outside, you might need even more. Sometimes, what feels like hunger is actually thirst. So before you reach for a snack, try drinking a glass of water first. You might be surprised how often your cravings disappear. Keep a big bottle with you wherever you go and sip throughout the day. Having water within arm's reach makes it much easier to stay hydrated. Start your morning with a big glass of water to wake up your body. Have another glass before each meal, and always rehydrate after any workout or physical activity. If plain water feels boring, jazz it up. Add lemon, mint, cucumber, or berries for a refreshing twist. Infused water can make hydration more enjoyable and flavorful. Avoid sugary drinks. Fizzy pop, sweet coffees, and energy drinks are packed with empty calories and can sabotage your health goals. Cutting out these sugary beverages is one of the easiest ways to reduce your daily calorie intake and support your weight loss or wellness journey. Stick to water, herbal teas, or black coffee. These drinks hydrate you without adding unnecessary sugar or calories. For the next 2 weeks, challenge yourself to make water your best friend. Set reminders, track your intake, and notice how much better you feel. Every time you feel sluggish, tired, or crave something sweet, reach for water first. Hydration can help you feel more alert and satisfied. Drinking enough water boosts your energy, improves your skin's glow, helps burn fat, and even supports better digestion and mental clarity. Keep sipping and stay hydrated all day long. Make it a habit, not a chore, and involve your friends or family for extra motivation. Let's make water a daily habit. Cheers to your health, energy, and a happier you. Now, let's get moving. You don't need a gym, just consistency. Walking is underrated. Aim for a brisk 30-minute walk daily. Take the stairs, walk to the shops, move more throughout your day. Add bodyweight exercises, squats, lunges, press-ups, and star jumps. These work multiple muscles and burn fat. Try a simple circuit. 40 seconds of exercise, 20 seconds rest. Repeat with different moves. 4 rounds take less than 20 minutes and leave you energized. Do it in your living room, bedroom, or even in front of the TV. No excuses, just start. Build the habit and enjoy the process. Every bit of movement counts. You'll get stronger and feel better every day. Let's move. Ready to level up? Mix in burpees, high knees, and mountain climbers for a challenge. Burpees are a full body move. Start with 5, then add more as you get stronger. High knees and mountain climbers torch calories and work your core. Add these to your circuit for a quick, intense HIIT session. Don't forget your core. Planks, crunches, and leg raises build strength and protect your back. Hold a plank for 30 seconds, then try for longer. A few minutes of core work at the end of your workout makes a big difference. Mix up your routine to keep your body guessing. Progress is about challenging yourself. Let's get stronger together. Mindset is everything. Your brain is your most powerful tool. There will be tough days. Remember your why. Write it down and keep it visible. Track progress beyond the scales. Notice your energy, how your clothes fit, and your strength. Celebrate non-scale victories. Take weekly photos to see your transformation. If you slip up, don't quit. Just get back on track with your next meal. Consistency beats perfection. Be kind to yourself and celebrate small wins. This is a journey, not a race. You're worth the effort. Let's talk safety. Avoid dangerous quick fixes. No starving, no diet pills, no magic shakes. Skipping meals slows your metabolism and harms your health. Diet pills and unregulated shakes can be dangerous. Don't risk it. There's no magic solution, just healthy eating and movement. Don't cut out entire food groups. Your body needs balance. Restrictive diets lead to deficiencies and feeling unwell. Our plan is about smarter choices, not bans. Don't overdo exercise. Listen to your body and rest when needed. Soreness is normal, sharp pain is not. Rest and sleep are as important as workouts. Be smart, be safe, and look after yourself. Real results come from effort and balance. Stay sensible and keep going strong. What does a healthy day look like? Here's a simple blueprint. Start with a big glass of water, then a quick 20-minute HIIT workout. Breakfast, a veggie omelette or a protein shake with berries. Lunch, a colorful salad with lean protein and olive oil dressing. Keep sipping water all day. Dinner, baked salmon, steamed greens, and a small portion of sweet potato. Avoid snacking after dinner. Have herbal tea or water if you're hungry. Get a good night's sleep to recover. Plan your meals and workouts to stay on track. Routine makes healthy choices easier. Repeat daily for success. This is just the beginning of your journey. You have the tools. Now take the first step. Start today, not tomorrow. Every healthy meal, workout, and glass of water is a win. Celebrate small victories. They add up to big changes. Don't stress about losing 10 kilograms. Focus on building a new lifestyle. Whether you lose 3, 5, or more, you're making progress. These habits will keep you healthy for life. Keep fueling your body, moving daily, and staying positive. Results will come. Believe in yourself. Go shop for fresh food, do a quick workout, and tell your friends for support. You are capable of amazing things. This is your time. Get started and never give up. You've got this.